Designs, we know that no stock exhaust can be left standing. And we've got a bunch of new developments, and we're taking the Valvetronic experience to the JDM world, even more than we've already done. And we're excited for you guys to enjoy this new sound setup for the Nissan 400Z. I've been a big fan of the 350Z and the 370. They make incredible drift cars. They're extremely fun, and for the price that you pay, they are very stylish and very enjoyable cars. You can make them sound very, very good. But with the implementation of the turbocharged Infinities and this new Nissan platform, we all thought that that really high quality kind of VQ sound characteristics of the trumpet was going to go away. But now, Valvetronic Designs, we are on the trot here developing a brand new exhaust configuration for the 400Z. Let's go take a listen. So here's the big story with the 400Z. Now, this customer of ours came to us with a proposition. They said they have an AFE power exhaust on the car, no mufflers and no valves. It's a little bit bassy and drony. It doesn't give you that exotic, enjoyable motorsport experience. So with this new configuration, we've developed a couple key things we've implemented to really chase that best sound. Into this midsection here, it goes into a 3-inch section that acts like an X-pipe to really improve the scavenging of the exhaust configuration. These cars do get a little raspy, resonated, and all catback systems for 400Z are going to be resonated. System runs unrestricted all the way back, electronic valves out to the side, then we have our 4-inch single wall black tips. Now, just for this development piece, the tips are a little small. These systems are gonna be coming with 5-inch exhaust tips, which are really gonna fill out the diffuser nicely, whether you have the stock diffuser or an aftermarket one. Large center quad chambered muffler, and this is designed to give huge flexibility. We know that this is someone's everyday sports car, a car they could use every day and never have any compromises. So with this sound configuration, our goal was the best sound that we could engineer and extract from the turbocharged V6 that's in these cars. This car already has proven to be very, very potent, very fast, 6-speed manual car. It's very enjoyable to drive, but you gotta have the right sound. Startup, revs, flybys, hard acceleration, and of course you guys are gonna get to hang out with us inside to hear how much we've cranked up this experience. Now don't expect this to be incredibly loud, but really listen to the sound quality here. Again, this is a bone stock car, and we're really chasing that ultimate experience. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the 400Z cranked up with just a catback. Let's listen. Okay people, well this car was delivered to us and it had this AFE power exhaust on it, and quite honestly, no offense to that company, but it wasn't the sonorous experience that I expected from a V6. The exhaust didn't even have any crossover in it, so the sound experience that I was getting in the car, it sounded very boaty, very like V6 Mustang, which to me does not illustrate what this car's purpose and its goal was for the enthusiast community. Now with this setup, when you have that center section, the 3-inch crossover, it acts like a long extended X pipe. So you get a much more exotic sound. And of course, having the flexibility is really, really nice. This car, driving it right now, and we've got to warm it up. So I'm gonna warm it up and take it slow. But this sound, you could drive this car all day with the valves open. Never have any problems at all. Windows up. I'm getting a nice, like, naturally aspirated sound, but it's totally usable in here, even with the valves open. If I close the valves, it's like the car's, it's actually quieter than the stock system. Like, it's so super quiet, which is so nice. But we'll enjoy with the valves open because that's how a lot of these cars are going to be enjoyed, is exhaust setup, valves open. And even though this car has 4 catalytic converters, you get a nice sound improvement over stock. It's not crazy, but it's a nice aggressive sound which lends perfectly to the ethos of this car. You can still use it every day, and of course you've got the flexibility to close it when you need. So we're gonna get the car fully warm and then we'll touch base with you guys in a little bit with some more sound. Car definitely performs. So, another thing for reference for everybody, 1500 RPM, 1800, 2000, there's no drone in here. So this setup, having the flexibility, being able to chase a much more high quality sound, if I open it up, like even at 3000, it sounds like you're almost in like a 911 or something. You get that 6-cylinder smoothness with this setup, which you didn't have before. And that was the big thing. When we engineered this system, we wanted it to come together for a good amount of time so you get that crossover, you get the scavenging, and it extracts so much more exotic music that this car has lurking. The sound quality is really much improved. That, everybody, is the new 400Z, cranked up a good amount with the Valvetronic setup. Now, these cars being cross-shopped with Supras and it being the next generation of the very enjoyable 350 and 370Z platform, turbocharging definitely increases the car's effectiveness, but the Valvetronic setup is definitely a necessity when it comes to improving the overall sound characteristics. Hearing this car in stock form, I was really disappointed. And then with this other exhaust that was on the car before it came to us, it's very lackluster. Now, on the revs, you get some pops, down low, you get some aggression, and then in the mid-range and up high, because of that center section where it goes all together 3-inch, it's a really nice sonorous sound configuration, which makes this platform, to me, much more attractive and much more enthusiastic. So that's the configuration. Again, this car is bone stock, primaries and secondaries still installed. It just has the catback installed. And these systems are going to be on sale very soon, so check our website below. The setup has been designed so it's very economical, it's affordable, and that people can really enjoy what is quite a fantastic car from Nissan. If you're looking to get this exhaust configuration for your 400Z, check us out at valvetronic.com. These are going to be available at the time of this video, so grab your system now. You guys know we're coming at you with the best sound configurations, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks so much.